salespersons for a cloth company, and now you have designed the latest version of some clothing, and like this. Here's the clothing category. So there are 9 kind of clothing. Okay, and now there is a client coming for you, and because she's going to join the masquerade, or you can call it a dress up party, and she's come here to pick up one clothes from this category to join that party. And so now your mission is to help her to pick up the most suitable clothing for her. Okay. And so now I'll explain the rules of the following activity. So here's for anyone do you want to join us? No, okay. Want to join. Sometimes you have to.
No, I have to take pictures.
Okay, thank you. So there are 12 people who's going to play this game. So every table form a group, and so there are 4 groups, and I want each of the group to pick up one person to be that client, and the rest of the person in that group will be the salesperson. Of course, the client can do the evaluation for herself for her own clothes. Okay. So now, what you're going to do is to pick up one clothes from here to fit that client, and you can evaluate based on some principles like the client's figure, or like you can ask that client if the clothing is too conservative or too weird for her. Yeah. Okay, and also you can do some alternations to these clothing, like you can add something onto it. Sammy, do. Okay. Okay. Like you can add something onto that clothing, or you can get rid of some part from that clothing. Also, you can do all kind of alternations to it, like the colors or shape, whatever. Just don't change too much in case that we cannot recognize it. So you can do some alternations. Okay. So I'll give you about 10 minutes to do that evaluation, to determine which clothes or whether to fit the clothes to the client the best. Okay, so is there any question?
So the ultimate goal is just to find a suit that is suitable for that person.
Yeah, yes.
And after this 10 minutes, the session is closed.
Oh, after that 10 minutes, we will invite one person from each group to go onto the stage to share 1 to 2 minutes to share how you evaluate that clothes.
I have to talk about why that clothes is suitable for that person. So, for example, the clothes fits its figure, and you can do some minor changes to the clothes. Okay, so for this session, you're going to do evaluation on clothes, and later on we're going to do evaluation on speeches. Okay.
Any questions? Well, after you go onto the stage to share your evaluation, I will pass down the feedback sheet, so you can give feedback to every group, and in the end we will pick up the group that scores the most, and we will have some prize, a gift for that group. Okay, so now let's start.